Okay, students, this is the second part of the lesson arrays. Here we are going to see the solved exercise question answers. So, first question is what are arrays? Arrays a kind of data structure that can store a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same data type. Then second one question, how do you declare single and two dimensional arrays? So you have to learn only to declare the single dimensional array. The double dimensional array is not in your syllabus. So you have to learn only the single dimensional array. Okay, this much you have to learn. General syntax of declaring a single dimensional array. Type array name of, then type new type of size. If you want to learn this, no problem, you can learn. Double dimensional array, you have to write the row size as well as the column size. Okay. Then third question, how do you create memory spaces for single dimensional array? In your question, double dimensional array is there. So you can learn only the answer later to single dimensional array. In a single dimensional array, memory is allocated in contiguous spaces. Okay. Then how do you initialize single and two-dimensional arrays? Explain. So you have to learn only the general form of and the initialization of single dimensional array. So the general form of initialization of single dimensional array is type array name of list of values. For example, int n of equal to the list of values are there. The next one is with the help of an example show how arrays in a Java are dynamic in nature. Okay, Java arrays are dynamic in nature. So they are giving one example int arr of equal to new int of n, that is declare an array. The size is in dynamic. It is not a fixed value. Okay. Next, how do you determine the length of an array? To determine the length of an array, the following syntax may be used. Array name length. The length is the property of an array that provides the number of elements present in an array. So the next question is with the help of an example, show how arrays are passed to function as call by reference. So here, so this is the program. So the output when main of is executed, the original array, what the number of elements stored in the array is 4 5 12 7 8 3. Okay, when we are updated these values, first we have to take the first value, then array dot length of I plus plus, system dot out dot println of a of I, first value, and then double of a, system dot out dot println of the updated value. So the updated value is we have to print the elements like this original array, and the updated value is like this 8 10 24 15 16 and 6. So you have to do the process and write the elements one by one. He explained linear search and binary search. Already we have explained it. You have to learn the answer. Then explain selection sort and bubble sort. Comparison they asked. Comparison is there, but this time they have taken the selection sort. So you have to learn only the bubble sort. Okay. So what is the difference between one-dimensional array and two-dimensional arrays? Then with the help of an example, so how two-dimensional arrays. So no need to learn this 11th question. Double dimensional array is not in your syllabus. Okay, this question also you have to leave. This also you have to leave. Then state the advantages and disadvantages of using arrays. You have to learn it. Then what is the difference between these two statements? That is int sum of equal to new in the means the sum is an array that consists of 10 elements. Then sum of 1 equal to 10 means the index for this array sum consisting of 10 elements. What is the elements present in the first position? Okay, that is 10. The first statement declare an array of size 10 having the name sum. The second statement initialize the second element of the array sum with 10. Second element means 0, 1. That is the first position, the second element is there. Then write the correct form of the following arrays. So the answer is here. Write the value of individual array element. So that is this is an array. You have to write individually. That is C of 0 is 78, C of 1 is 23, C of 2 is 45, C of 3 is 12, C of 4 is 16. Like this. This is double dimensional array. No need to learn. Then give the proper array declaration for the following. So declaration of elements you have to learn, and you have to write the declaration. What will be the output of the following program? So the first element is, it is in the order 6 5 4 3 2 1. So x is equal to 5. So fifth position, which element? 0 1 2 3 4 5, that is 1. So 1 is greater than or equal to 0, the condition true. So it will print the value a of x, that is 1. This is the output. Okay. Then next the value of x will become 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Yes. So go to fourth place. 0 1 2 3 4 2. So the value 2 will come here, and you have to print it. Like this it will execute till the value become 0. Okay. So so how many iterations it will do? 6 iterations, and it will print the value like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the next question is, what will be the output of the following program? The program segment is here. You have to execute the program, and in each and every step what value you will get, that value you have to print. Okay. Then what will be the output of the program when the method invoked? So you have to execute one by one, and you have to print the output. Here also the same type of questions. Then find the syntax and the error in the program. So what is the syntax error? See, the program will be like this. This is the answer. Okay. Identify the errors in the following program. So what are the errors? Here we are not able to write the size of the array. Okay. Uh, I think only this error is there, and all the others are same. So one error is there. So write a program, section B, write a program to input 10 numbers in an integer array and find the sum of all the values. First what you have to do is, you have to declare the array. Then you have to store 10 values inside the array. Okay. Then first you have to take the first element. So you have to s plus equal to a of I. First we initialize the value of s as 0. So a of I means 0th position जो भी value हो वो यहाँ पे आएगा, that is s is equal to 0 plus whatever value it may be, that value is here, and you have to print the sum. So the next question is 10 numbers in an integer array, find whether it is an odd or even number. So if the number is an even number, if the you have to take the element and it find the modulus. If the remainder is 0, then it is an even number. If the remainder is 1, it is an odd number. Okay. Write a program to input 10 integer numbers in an integer array and print those numbers which are less than its average. So first we have to find out the remainder. These all the lines are same for every Java arrays program. Okay. Here only the calculation part you have to change. So first you have to find the sum, then you have to find the average. If there are 10 numbers, you have to divide the number by 10. Then we have to print the new array value. Okay. Then this is assume that the numbers are largest and smallest number. Write a program 10 integer arrays and interchange the largest number with the smallest number. Acha. Interchanging means that we learned in bubble sort. Okay. For this the program is there. This program is important. Write a program to input 10 numbers in a float type array. If it is a float, you have to take float values. So, input 10 numbers of float type array, arrange the numbers in descending order using bubble sort technique. So, don't write it is a float type, it is an integer type array, okay? It is an integer type array because we have written the program in integer values. So, this is a very important program. Students, you have to learn it and practice it, okay? So, these all about the arrays chapter. So, you have to practice the program linear search and bubble sort, okay? So, this is the end of the chapter. So, the chapters are completed. In the coming time, we will do more revisions, okay, students?